Hi everyone, welcome back to VinVout-io. Today I have something special to share with you. While I was going through some examples of Digispark, I found one which was not popular as it should be. I haven't read nor heard from any YouTube videos before. So today I'm sharing it with you, somewhat hidden or maybe not that famous but extremely useful and superb features of Digispark. When we are using the Digispark, we cannot see the port which it is connected to. You don't select the port, the core files automatically find the Digispark and program it. But it is a problem. Because of this fact, we cannot use the serial monitor or communicate with the Digispark. We cannot send data towards the Digispark through serial monitor. But we can. Here comes the magical element. The DigiCDC library. The DigiCDC library is based on VUSB. The library allows the Digispark to appear to a computer as a virtual serial port when connected by USB. First select Digispark and go to the examples and open the CDC LED. Now upload the code and connect the Digispark. Connect an LED to pin 1 and ground of the Digispark. Now go to the tools and now you can access the port and check the box right next to it. Go and open the serial monitor and here you go. Press 1 and now press Ctrl and key on the keyboard. To turn it off, enter 0 in the serial monitor. This makes it happen just like a standard Arduino and allows the use of the serial monitor built into the Arduino IDE. It transfers data very slowly because it is a low-speed device doing the job of a standard speed device and doing it all virtually without actual hardware support. If you want to know more about its advantages and disadvantages, you can go check out the link in the description. With this, you can send data to the Digispark. This is absolutely fantastic, so make sure you try it.